Did you know that 5 new viper species were discovered in South America? Yes, you heard it right. 5. This remarkable discovery was unveiled in a paper published in Evolutionary Systematics just last Thursday. The snakes, found in Colombia and Ecuador, had previously been mistaken as a single species. But thanks to the diligent work of the Kamai Foundation, an Ecuadorian NGO dedicated to biodiversity conservation, we now know better. Here's a fun fact. The research actually began when one of the authors was bitten by one of these previously unknown species. Talk about first-hand experience? These newly discovered species are related to the eyelash viper, famously known as Bothriechis schlegeli. This species is known for its distinctive spiny scales positioned over the eyes, giving the illusion of eyelashes. Some of these new species sport even longer lashes compared to others. And it was the variations in the state of the lashes that led researchers to consider the possibility of unknown snake species. So, who are these new viper species, you ask? Well, let me introduce you to them. First, we have the Rahim's eyelash viper. This beauty resides in the Chaco rainforest, straddling the border between Colombia and Ecuador. Named after Rahim Aga Khan, this viper pays tribute to his unwavering support for biodiversity protection. Next, we come across the Hussein's eyelash viper, named in honor of Prince Hussein Aga Khan. This one makes its home in the lush forests of southwestern Ecuador and the extreme northwest of Peru. Then, there's the Shah's eyelash viper. Found in the eastern Cordillera of Colombia, it comfortably resides in both forest and coffee plantations. Its name is a salute to another key figure in biodiversity protection. Moving on, we have the Kleba's eyelash viper, or Bothriechis klebai if you want to get scientific. Like the Shah's, it also calls the eastern Cordillera of Colombia its home. Finally, we meet the Quarg's eyelash viper, also a resident of the eastern Cordillera of Colombia. Its name honors a significant figure in the world of biodiversity protection. Each of these species sports some truly unique traits, from the length of their eyelashes to their chosen habitats. These 5 new species, each with their unique traits and habitats, expand our understanding of biodiversity. But these incredible discoveries come with a word of caution. The new viper species, despite their fascinating uniqueness, face a daunting future. Their survival is precariously balanced on a thin edge, threatened by 2 key factors. Firstly, their limited geographic distribution makes them vulnerable to localized disturbances. Secondly, the relentless destruction of their natural habitat, with as much as 50 to 80% already lost, further exacerbates their perilous situation. It is a race against time, a challenge for humanity. It is up to us to ensure that these newly discovered species do not vanish before we get a chance to fully understand them.